Yeah! Tara! Usap tayo. Let's build Gunpla. Like what is said here in the box, fun to build Gunpla. So let's build this Gunpla-Kun DX Set. So this is the RX 782. So yeah, now this is like an SD but bigger and more expensive.
And more stickers.
Yeah. So yeah, so for this it has like 1, 2,
3 runners.
3 runners and
One sticker.
has 3 runners and 1
What's a sticker? Extend the band.
1 sticker sheet for the eyes. So yeah, let's
Cool.
Gunpla. Let's go. So, all right, so here is the Gunpla-Kun DX Set RX 782. Okay, now this G runner serves as a holder for the whole set. Yes. No, it's
a runner and a runner.
yes.
This guy.
So here's the head. So you're gonna use this to connect,
To cradle the head into the...
so that you can connect it.
Keep the key on
So you can connect it
Yes. Not sure.
here. Here's the body,
Does it also slide in?
which is pegs in there. The backpack. So this is the beam saber, just cast on white plastics.
So like the gem.
Yeah, so this is the arm. So it has no elbows. No elbows. It also has no
Knees.
knees.
Or leg.
Leg.
Yes.
Leg.
No knees. Okay. Now let's. So here is the
Beam rifle.
beam rifle
So small.
and the shield. Now
You
let's.
feel underwhelmed when you fully built it.
Yes. Wait, I have to build it first. Now let's reconnect all the parts.
Arms and what?
Let's
Or
reconnect.
feet and legs. And I form the head.
Backpack.
Form arms and body. Form feet and legs. And I form the head.
And I form a
Box.
750.
So there's already stress marks on the gun from just
Being just there.
inserting it there.
It's overpriced.
And it's starting to
Break.
break.
It's super overpriced.
So yeah, there it is. The first stand there. Now, considering that this guy costs
750 pesos.
yeah, this guy costs almost twice as an SD. I think it is very
Price.
it's very very overpriced, and
You get.
I don't think we are getting our money's worth, and we're not getting another one of
That's the only one
this.
that you used.
So yeah.
I think they
It doesn't
never.
have any boundaries.
So yeah. So this is the
Gunpla-Kun.
Gunpla-Kun DX Set. Not really our cup of tea. Too expensive,
Mad plus
underwhelming, and yeah. So
confusing to build.
yeah. So yeah.
Yes, very.
So I hope you enjoyed our video as much as we enjoyed making them. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Maraming salamat. Hanggang sa muli.